Here's a good shot. Not much of the bridge is extended above the water in this shot right here. And it's not an optical illusion. You can see that the horizon line seems to be much, much higher on the pylons as it does somewhere. I'm going to pan zoom real fast. Like over here. Do you see? You see? So it's not just a trick that's happening. There's quite a bit of space between the water line and the top of the bridge. When we jump way back over here to the furthest point that we just were, where was it? It was just past this point. Yeah, see? There's a truck right there. Very little, the cars don't drive on the water. You can see the truck. Where's the bridge? Where's the bridge, guys? Where is the bridge? Not driving on top of the water. Where are the pylons? There are no pylons. No pylons, guys. Where are the pylons? They're not driving on the water.